tidying up with Letitia Q. I powered through the entire season of tidying up with Marie Kondo and it was phenomenal. Now we're not going to make a mockery of this. While I do love my home, I'm not going to be greeting it and making a joke out of Marie Kondo because I truly respect her views, but we are going to respect her teachings and follow all 5 rules of the KonMari art of tidying up. First step, clothes. I did a closet clean out video pretty recently and the closet has been in pretty good state. I am going to go through each item and make sure that it sparks me joy. This Wilfred tank top that has giant gaping holes and I have too much back fat for. I'm going to say thank you, goodbye. And you have taught me that I cannot wear clothes like this because I have so many rolls in my back. Now, I am a product of immigrant parents, and if you know immigrant parents, you'll know that they do not throw things away. My mom has little Sephora sample containers that she does not throw out. Bless my immigrant parents, I really understand that, you know, they worked so hard to get this life that they deserve, and it's hard for them to let go of things that they were not privy to when they were younger. Me, an ingrateful second-generation child, feels none of that. I have no problems throwing things out, and in fact, I feel joy when I clean out things and purge. Got to the point where I was helping my parents clean out their house for renovations, and there was so many years of junk, and I was throwing things out, but my mom would go through the garbage bag that I threw out to make sure that I didn't throw away anything and pulled out most of the things that I had thrown out. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. Closet sale coming near you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. These were my favorite for a long time. Thank you. Now I will not be cleaning Steph's side of the closet because so help me God. I speak up a lot about emotional labor in order to anticipate the needs of all the people in our lives, and these are things that a lot of men don't have to go through, and Stefan has been going through a lot of deep training of emotional labor. So he knows that this is not my responsibility, and I accept that. And I'm okay with this being left like this, because it is not my job to take care of him. Thank you. If my 5 years of retail has taught me anything, it's to fold. Ooh, Maddie taught us to do a bag within a bag. And this is what I'm gonna do. In my closet cleanup video, I folded my entire drawer and redid everything again, but if you look, I can't find anything unless I peel up each and every layer. And this is what I learned from Marie. Dang! And you know what doesn't spark me joy? Bras! Now she says that bras are very important and that you shouldn't smush the cups. But you know what? I think it's time for me to just get rid of my bras. I mean, I'll keep a couple, but I'm gonna keep them in a secondary where the tops are. Yoga gives me lots of joy, so I am going to put yoga as a top priority in this drawer. Okay, I've spent the whole day here. The sun has gone down. It's 5:30. I'm clocking out for the day. Alright, day 2. This is the whole reason why I was doing this Marie Kondo, my condo project, is because I got a new desk, and this desk has a lot of storage, and I have our second closet here. So this is the second bedroom, and it's my office. And the second closet barely closes. This second closet is jam-packed of tools, craft supplies, fabric, clothes that I know I need to save for next closet sales. We have a box of our files in there that I need to move into here. It actually got so bad that recently we were in this room and we're like, why does this smell so heavily of paint? Why do I smell it so chemically? It smells like solvent in here. And then we were trying to find the source of it. and then realized that we have an open can of like WD-40, and it, like, all the stuff that was piled on top was squishing it, and so it was slowly leaking out aerosol spray. So I'm actually very excited. We're skipping step 2 because we don't have books. We only have like this many books. We're moving straight into step 3, which is papers and I guess miscellaneous office things. Time to pile things on and then say thank you and see what sparks me joy. Papers first. One step at a time. I'm not gonna be like that lady that refused to follow Marie's rules and was like, I'm gonna go straight to what I think is right. I'm gonna commit and I'm gonna follow Mary's rules. I'm watching the episode right now with Samita and her husband, and I really feel for her. I feel like I can't relate whatsoever, but I understand her frustration. This is exactly what my parents go through. My parents are always arguing about this, where if my mom wants to buy anything new, my dad will be like, why do you need that? You don't need that. When you're both so frustrated at each other, it's like, well, she's not going to listen to you. She's obviously going to buy it, but then she obviously also doesn't need it and she doesn't respect your decision. I tell my dad this all the time, but the way that you approach her is not the way that's going to get her to listen. I don't know, it makes me think about Stefan and I. I don't think it's fair to compare ourselves with other couples, but I guess we're really laid back. Like, we've never argued about money. We've never argued about throwing things out around the house and organizing the home. He definitely needs to clean more and help out around the house more, and like the other couple that was like, the guy's like, I'm a catastrophizer. I am a huge catastrophizer. So it actually is a lot harder for me to reflect and be like, oh wait, our relationship is good. I just wanted to take this time to acknowledge it right now before I forget, because Marie is teaching me a lot of deep thoughts, and me cleaning my desk is making me think of my relationship with Stefan and how sometimes I should be a little bit more grateful that I have things a lot easier than I think it is. I've had this folder since I was a kid, and I will never throw it out. When I look at this, I feel immense joy. Box out. And I'm also going to bring some chocolates to concierge for taking in such a huge and heavy package for me, because I know it's against the rules, but they're so nice. I went out for a bit. I just came home and I am going to do step 4, Komono, which is kitchen, bath, miscellaneous, garage, but we don't have a garage. Okay, all this is for donate, Christmas decorations, all this. We can finally get rid of this box. Oh, it feels so good. We just did cooking yesterday, so it's a bit of a mess in the kitchen. So rule number 5 was sentimental items, and the only sentimental items I have all fit in this box. And this is rule number 5, done. Like 3.5 days. I'm surprised it took that much because I am a purger, and throughout the year I do love to get rid of things, but apparently there were still things that I need to say goodbye to. My heart is full of joy. And this room in particular I'm very excited about because I'm doing an office renovation of this room. I just have the desk done, but I have other things that I need to put up, like backdrop systems and art. So that's that. Marie Kondo, you kick my ass.